Hey, assistant, how tall is the Empire State Building?
The Empire State Building is 1,454 feet, or about 443 meters tall.
Hi there.
Hi there, my name is Salar. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Alisa. Nice to meet you, Solar.
Nice to meet you too, Alisa. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Ireland.
Oh, Ireland. I've heard it's a beautiful country with green hills and castles.
Yes, that's true. Ireland is full of green fields, old castles, and lots of rain.
That sounds wonderful. In Canada, we also have a lot of nature, mountains, lakes, and forests.
I've seen pictures of Canada. It looks amazing. I'd love to visit someday.
You should, especially in the fall. The trees turn red, yellow, and orange. It's beautiful.
That sounds perfect. I've never seen that kind of autumn before.
What's the weather like in Ireland?
It's mostly cool and cloudy. It rains a lot, but we also get sunny days sometimes. How about in Canada?
It depends on the season. In winter, it's really cold and snowy, but in summer, it's warm and sunny.
Wow, that's quite a difference. I've never seen heavy snow before.
Really? You should come to Canada in winter. We can go skiing or ice skating.
That would be fun. Do you like winter sports?
Yes, I do. I love skiing and building snowmen with my friends. What do you like to do in your free time?
I enjoy reading books, walking in nature, and sometimes watching movies.
Oh, I love movies too. What kind of movies do you like?
I like action and adventure movies. What about you?
I prefer romantic comedies and animated films. They always make me smile.
That's nice. Do you watch English movies to practice your language?
Yes, sometimes. English is my first language, but I also watch movies in other languages to learn new ones.
That's impressive. I'm still improving my English, so talking with you is good practice.
You speak very well, Solar. Your English sounds clear.
Thank you, Alisa. That means a lot. I'm trying to get better every day.
That's the best way. Practice a little every day and soon it will feel natural.
You're right. Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. I've been to a few countries in Europe, but not Ireland yet.
Then you must visit. I'll show you Dublin and some beautiful countryside spots.
That would be amazing. And when you come to Canada, I'll take you to Niagara Falls.
Deal. That's a plan.
So, what do you like most about living in Ireland?
The people are friendly and the landscapes are peaceful. What do you like most about Canada?
The wide open spaces and clean air. I love how free it feels.
Sounds wonderful. I think both our countries are beautiful in their own ways.
I agree. Maybe one day we can visit each other's countries and share more stories.
I'd really like that, Alisa.
Me too, Solar. It's nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. Have a great day.
You too. Bye for now.
Please subscribe my YouTube channel. See you soon next time.